Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online. How are you? Hope you're doing great. I got my other ears in there. I was listening back to some playback there. Hope you're doing great. It is April 27th. Still COVID. My COVID hair is looking pretty styling. I think my wife's going to cut it soon. Today's video is how to create an email list and make money doing it. So it's super important to have an email list, guys, especially now. Like, it's crazy how many people are like, where are our customers going to come from? If you had your email list, if you were running some sort of online marketing thing, you would be able to reach out to your email base. This is why, the people like the big box stores, they do surveys. They just want your email so they can market to you, right? And they get permission to market to you. Well, in the online affiliate world, which I reside in, the email list is the most important thing we can have. And you actually end up paying for it when you're in affiliate marketing. So what's the best thing to have is to have a tool that's very scalable, but at a really good price. That's something I want to introduce you to at the end of this video. But like, how do you actually create an email list? It's actually easy, guys. You basically ask people for their email to provide content and what they're interested in. So let's say you are let's say you're a wine person, right? And you want to monetize your wine because you sell these really cool wine sacks or wine coolers or wine glasses or wine openers or something to do with wine. This is what you're going to sell. So what you're going to do is maybe you have a site that talks about wine and different types of wine and all this kind of stuff. So when people land on your website, you would put up a splash page and say, hey, do you want to know the 10 best reds under $10 in North America, right? Yeah. So give me your email and I'll send you to the page, right? And boom, you send them the 10 best places. And of course you tell them in the States, you tell them where they can buy it, if they can order it. Maybe you're part of a wine club that sells these kind of wines. So you'd be partial to those wines. There's so many ways to monetize it. That's just wine. Travel, right? Same thing, guys. What people are looking for, people want content that's digestible, but it's got to be really important. And it's got to hit a sort of a pain point. So wine, why I'm talking about wine's under $10, because the pain point is wine is expensive, especially if you're in Canada. It's way more expensive. So when someone says and in Canada it's like best wine's under $20, right? There's not much wine under $10 up here. But so we would, if someone said, hey, best red's under $20 and you're a red wine person, that's a pain point. Pain point is like, yeah, I want to drink good wine, but I want to drink it for paying less, right? That's a pain point. Same with travel, right? Let's say you're doing travel. You would give them top 10 tips for packing for 2 bags without having to pay for extra luggage. Something like that, right? People are going to be like, people that are traveling, the travelers, the people that you're trying to target are going to be going, yeah, I want that information. And they're going to give you their email. And then you could, of course, market to them however you want because you have their email. And guys, don't be afraid if people unsubscribe from your list. This is the biggest thing that people get so paranoid about. Oh, someone unsubscribed from my list. I did something wrong. No, you're actually doing the right thing. You want to push the people that sign up to your list to the point where you want to give them as much information because at the end of the day, guys, we want to have an email list because we want to sell them stuff. We want people that if they're not interested in what we're sending them to get off our list. We don't want them on our list. We don't have to pay for them. We don't want to serve them. They're not interested in what we're buying or what we're selling. So we want to get them off our list. So we want to have that ability to really push the marketing until we basically get them to jump off. And you're probably saying, well, some people just don't want that many emails. That's fine. They can join someone else's list. I'm here to provide good content, but I'm also here to make money. And I'm going to be hard. I'm going to push hard on my list. And people's unsubscribe from my list all the time. They say in marketing, if you're not getting people to unsubscribe, then you're not marketing hard enough. You're leaving money on the table, in fact. So when you do build your list and you've got your email list going, make sure it's targeted. Make sure you're sending them information that they want. I have multiple lists, right? But at the core of all my multiple lists is people that want to learn how to either get more traffic, more sales, more leads, and make money online. Like that's their general idea. So when I'm marketing to these different lists that I have, I'm sending out, most of the time I'm sending out relevant information. And sometimes I won't send to certain lists. I have other lists, right? I have woodworking lists. Because I did a lot of ClickBank advertising. So I've got woodworking lists. I've got weight loss lists. I've got keto lists. I won't send them this video, right? I'm not going to send them this video on building a list to those people, because those people are looking for a solution for that problem. They're not looking for a solution for getting leads and sales online. They're looking for a solution for whether they want to do a woodworking project, or whether they want to teach their kid to read, or they want to lose weight through keto. So you got to make sure that what you're sending to your list, you don't want to do it all in one. So what's happening right now? Well, we launched a brand new marketing suite last week on Tuesday, and tomorrow will be 1 week, and it's been going insane, guys. Like, my phone just keeps blowing up. Now, what is this? It's basically a relaunch or a launch of 2.0 of a company that has been around for a while. Now, the problem that this company had before, and this is why I didn't actually join them before, is because they had a weight loss product tied in with this marketing suite. So the problem was, the marketing suite was really great, the product was really great, but you were limited in what countries you could go into because of that product. So the product could only be sold in a couple of countries because of getting all the licensing rights to sell a product in a country, which is a pain. Trust me, I'm in another network marketing company that our product is worldwide. It is weight loss. But each country, we have to be very careful on that country is ordering from source. You can't actually sell it there as a private individual. So what happened is they decided, they're like, well, let's just separate those two companies and make the marketing suite one amazing affiliate package. And you know what? Let's pay 100% commission. I'm like, yes, now we're talking. Now this product can be sold anywhere in the world. And what's great is it's a great way to build an email list, right? So you can take this product and you can tell people about it, and people are like going, oh, I need an autoresponder. Yes. I need a video conferencing room. Yes. I need a website builder. Yes. I need a server for my websites. Yes. I need a server for my videos, because if you're not doing video these days, you need to be doing video. And yes, you can use YouTube. I use YouTube, but I also use Wistia, and I also use Vimeo, right? For certain some of my landing pages, I don't want a YouTube video on there. I don't want any distraction. I don't want them to show videos afterwards, which YouTube does. So I have a subscription based video HD, which I will be moving all over to this platform, because this platform is all in one and way less expensive than having all these things sort of a la carte, right? It'll be all in one system. Super, super exciting. Right now we're in the early bird launch, and if you're looking for a really good opportunity, like a really solid opportunity to get into, and then once you start building your list with this, because it's a business suite, you can kind of go anywhere. Like going back to the wine thing, right? You could build your entire wine organization on this platform. Even if you're an affiliate with another company, you can build it with this platform, which is so powerful. Now, what's cool is people are like, well, how would I monetize it then? Well, when you're a reseller of something like this is what so many people don't get. So you could do many things. So you could have your entire marketing suite, and you could have powered by, right? And in that powered by, you could put your affiliate link. So people that like the look of everything you have going on, click on it, boom, they're powered by, they get taken to your affiliate page, and you get paid 100% commissions on anything they sell, and anyone that they like what they buy, and then what they sell, you get a 25% match check. So it's very, very cool. Or you could, when you're doing videos, right, when you're talking about your product, it's not a bad thing to go, and by the way, if you're interested in getting into this business, especially if you're in a network marketing thing, message me. And you can talk about your network marketing business or your affiliate marketing business or whatever it is. And then you can say, and this is the suite of tools I use. Click the link below, right? It's that simple. I had a guy sign up for the well, I had a couple of them, but I had to sign up for there's an enterprise package where you can do tons and tons of websites, because he has a ton of websites, right? So there's all these websites out there that he's going to use this platform for, because it's all in one. The autoresponder is there, the video hosting is there, the website hosting is there. All this stuff is already there. So it's fantastic. It's a fantastic platform to use. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. So if you want to build a list now, if you want to grab this suite, I have a big bonus section of some training that I've put together for people that want to join. And it is a membership site, but it's free. I'll give you total free access, and there's 10 trainings in there. And I'll put a link below. I'll put a link to the business suite, and then I'll put a link below there so you can check out what the bonuses are, so you can see exactly what you'd be getting if you want to join with me and build a business here, or either build a business by selling the suite, the office suite, or by using it for your business and then referring people sort of on the side of your business, right? Like saying, hey, this is what I use, this is what I use. Because people, like, you got to really remember, people want to use what you use. So when I was a musician, we were in Japan. ESP built me a guitar. Why did ESP build me a guitar? Because they wanted other people that were watching me on stage to buy an ESP guitar. Why did Vans give us shoes? Like, every time we left on tour, we got brand new Vans, we got skateboards, we got another shoe company called Simple. They gave us shoes. Who else did? Ernie Ball gave us all the strings. So when we were out there on tour, kids are staring at our shoes on stage, right? Why did they give us those shoes? Because they want the kids to go buy those shoes. So when you've got your company and people are looking like, wow, I really want to do a company like that. I want to build a company like that. I want to know what tools they're using, because that's what I want to model after. And that's how you can monetize it. You'd point to, like, hey, this is what I use. It's that simple, guys. All right. Hopefully this is helpful for you. Go out and start building a list. You need a list, especially in this day and age. And guys, if this is helpful for you, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the comment button, share with anyone that you think this would help, and come and join my team. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have a lot of fun. I don't know how long the early bird prices are going to last in this, so I would jump in now. It's not going anywhere. It's just going to go. Actually, it's going a lot of places, and it's all up. I meant, you know what I mean? I'm not saying like it's not. It's going to be here for a long time. All right, guys, take care. Stay safe. Looks like we're turning the corner on this thing. They're talking about, I'm in BC, Canada, talking about, we're actually hearing hints about school. I don't know if we'll get back into school this year, but I've got my 3 little girls. If you check out if you're on my Facebook, you'll see that a lot of walking out on our boardwalk, keeping our distance, but it's like 3 or 4 walks a day. It's just to keep the little ones activated. All right, guys, take care, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out the link and check out the bonuses. I would love to give them out to you. Bye.